but take 55 action.
All right, let's do it. Hi everyone, my name is Amna Raba. I'm the Aviation X Lab Manager. We hosted a design thinking workshop focused purely on Cycle 2. The objective behind this workshop was to collect different members of the travel and aviation ecosystem and to really try to understand what does the future vision of travel look like. We had startups, we had travelers, we had different people from each part of the aviation ecosystem, from OEMs to the airline as well. If we look at what travel would look like in 5-10 years, each of us are going to have a completely different opinion, and that's exactly what we wanted. We wanted to encourage everyone and all the participants to come with their creativity hat and to really think about things from their perspective as if they were passengers flying today. We're looking for not only incremental innovations, but absolutely exponential innovations that can transform the entire passenger journey from the time that you think of booking your trip to the time that you arrive at your hotel. In this exercise, we collaborated quite deeply with the Thales Design Center, and that has been absolutely monumental in drafting Cycle 2. The Design Center will continue to be a key part of the Aviation X Lab journey, not only through creating the moonshot, but also through selecting the startups, through mapping the different outreach process, through setting the key KPIs for the startups as well, and of course, a part of the entire journey as well.